Hello guys again. I accidentally click the button that stops the video. So this is kind of part 2 of cleaning my house. Okay. We put it here. And here. Hey guys, I'm done. Now it's time to walis. Okay, this is what I am actually doing. Magwawalis ko na kunwari. Okay. Oh no! Submiming. Just put this here. So okay, grab this. So actually clean this. Okay, it's taking too long. Fast forward. Okay, I'm done. So, maliligo na ako, guys. Wait for me, guys, okay? I gotta go to school. Today is Wednesday, September 17 na. So, 10:49 na. Maliligo muna ako, ha? So, guys, wait for me. Guys, actually, I'm doing a part 3. My phone is about to lobat na cellphone ko. So, charge ko muna, okay? Guys, stay tuned to find ulit. Stay tuned to find out what's going on part 3. Okay, bye. Bye, guys.